Welcome to our screencast on Nextcloud, the leading open source collaboration platform designed to help small businesses take control of their data and communication. Nextcloud isn't just a file sharing service, it's a comprehensive suite that integrates files, Talk, Groupware, and Office into a single seamless experience. Imagine you're running a small marketing agency. Your team is always juggling multiple projects, sharing large media files, and needs to stay in constant communication with clients and each other. This is where Nextcloud comes into play. Let's start with Nextcloud Files. It's like having your own private cloud storage, but with the added benefits of full control and data privacy. You can store all your documents, photos, and project files in one place, accessible from anywhere, on any device. Share files with your team or external partners with ease, set permissions, and even collaborate in real time. Now, onto Nextcloud Talk. Communication is key in any business, and with Talk, you can have private and group video calls, chats, and web meetings without relying on third-party services. It's all hosted on your own server, ensuring your business conversations remain confidential. Nextcloud Groupware is your virtual office assistant. It includes a calendar to keep track of deadlines and appointments, a contacts manager for all your business connections, and a mail app that integrates with other Nextcloud features. Organize a meeting, send out invitations, and sync everything across devices without a hitch. Lastly, we have Nextcloud Office. This is where the magic happens for collaborative document editing. Create text documents, spreadsheets, and presentations right within Nextcloud. Work together with your team in real time, comment, and share feedback without the need for sending documents back and forth. For small businesses, Nextcloud isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It streamlines workflows, enhances productivity, and gives you peace of mind when it comes to data security. And the best part? It's all under your control. You decide where your data is hosted, who can access it, and how it's used. Nextcloud is open source, which means a global community continuously contributes to its development, ensuring it stays cutting edge and secure. Plus, being open source means you can customize Nextcloud to fit the unique needs of your business. So, whether you're collaborating on a marketing campaign, scheduling product launches, or holding confidential client meetings, Nextcloud has you covered. It's more than just a collaboration platform. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that empowers small businesses to work smarter, not harder.